Hello guys, it is your boy Vendetta here once again, and in this video today we will be exploring as to whether or not investing in the Breakout case is such a great idea or not. Having said that, a fellow YouTuber who goes by the name of Shadows had made a similar video on the same topic a few weeks ago, but some important things have changed since then, in which I'll be explaining. But firstly, if you're part of the 92% or so of viewers who are not subscribed yet, please do so as it is free and is a great investment decision. If you could also leave a comment and a like, that would be fantastic for the algorithm, and remember, all likes matter. Anyways, enough of the boring stuff, let's get started. First off, let's check out the return on investment, or ROI for short. For the Breakout case, it is about 50% currently. This is okay and puts it in the mid-range. This means for every $1 you spend on opening this case, you can expect on average around 50 cents worth of skins once you open it. The average special item for this case is over $600. This is pretty massive, and I believe it is the highest for any of the cases listed here. But why is that the situation? Well, as you may already know, that is because of the super rare butterfly knives. I believe these knives can only be opened from this case and have been exploding in price on the Steam marketplace over the past several months, as demonstrated in the below graph. Plus, when you open this case and you are lucky enough to get one of these rare special items, you are guaranteed to get one of the rare butterfly knives, which means instant massive profits. Having said that, I feel that people who are opening these cases aren't doing so for the money per se, but are doing it so they can get their hands on these super rare and cool looking knives. Now let's take a look at the covert skins or red skins. They look pretty good and have bold colors, but are far from the best. They are the M4A1S Cyrax and the P90 Asimov. Breakout case also contains the Desert Eagle Conspiracy, which isn't a covert skin, but has a nice clean look to it. So all in all, some decent looking skins here, but the butterfly knife is definitely the most OP skin of them all. Next we have Rarity. The Breakout case is one of the earliest skin cases released in the game, as it was released on the 1st of July 2014. Since it had been released such a long time ago by Valve, they have placed it in the rare drop pool. For those who don't know already, basically what that means is that it very rarely drops for players with either a Prime or non-Prime Steam account, but it still drops occasionally. In this chart here, you can see the price history of the Breakout case throughout the past 7 or so years. After the initial release, the price dropped in value and stagnated at about 3 cents for a very long time. Then as the case eventually moved from the active drop pool to the rare drop pool, the price started rising. And then even more recently, during the Chinese Lunar Year, it spiked up in value even more. Here we can see the volumes on the Steam marketplace. The Breakout case only has around 37,000 on the market and is currently selling for around $1.80 USD. More recently, in the above monthly price chart, you can see that the price peaked at about $1.97 around the 8th of March 2021. Since then, it had declined slightly. This was probably due to the normalizing of the China Lunar New Year hype. In the below chart, you can see the cumulative buy and sell orders. There isn't anything too concerning here, except for maybe the volumes of sell orders. Usually I like to see a thinner thread of buy orders, as that means that the prices can rise a lot quicker. However, here you can see there's a thick chunk of buy orders of around 30,000, which means that they either need to be matched by a buyer for them to be sold, or removed from the marketplace by the seller before the market can actually reach the $3 mark. So in conclusion, should you invest in the Breakout case? Well, as always, that is entirely up to you. It is an item in which has been around for a while, making it confirmed rare, and has the most expensive rare special items in the game. However, on the other hand, the gun skins are fairly average and aren't worth that much, reducing the return on investment or ROI. Furthermore, there's not a lot of these items on the marketplace compared to other cases, but I feel like there could be hundreds of thousands of them stored by investors in their inventories. This is evident by one of Jesus' videos, where he mentions that a single investor bought over 600,000 of them back in August. Having said that, it still does seem reasonably priced compared to other cases. So it looks like a high risk, high reward case, which is priced about right for what it is. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video.
Cyrex.